A day in the life of the cable guy PT.3.
Alright, so we have our main data room, a little closet right on the other side of this one. It's got some conduit that feeds down to the crawl space underneath this little work trailer building and whatnot. So gotta get under there and drag the cable all the way to the glow rods that are already drilled down in the floor and fed down. Tape the cable on and pull them back up. So into the dark, creepy, nasty hole we go. As you can see, it's a tight squeeze down here. What a rat's nest. I'm not responsible for this, just so everybody knows. Alright, so we got the new cable. We're in the crawl space. As you can see, it's a real tight fit. So now we get to try and find the glow rods that we drilled down, which is about halfway, I think. I can spot them right there. Now to make our way all the way back to the light. Alright, so just wanted to turn the my headlamp off and show you guys what it's like under here if you don't have any type of light. So headlamps, flashlights, they're your best friend. When you go under the desk to install your phone jack, and you see they're already ready to be off today. I still gotta put a label on it, but gotta love it when you don't see no wires.